Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godolkar. Today the video lecture topic is cellular system. The basic concept of cellular system is cellular system solves the problem of spectral congestion, offers high capacity in limited spectrum. High capacity is achieved by limiting the coverage area of each BS to a small geographical area called cell. Replaces high power transmitter with several low power transmitters. Each BS is allocated a portion of total channels and nearby cells are allocated completely different channels. All available channels are allocated to a small number of neighboring BS. Interference between neighboring BS is minimized by allocating different channels. The cellular system basic concept is same frequencies are reused by specially separated BS. Interference between co-channel station is kept below acceptable level. Additional radio capacity is achieved. Frequency reuse. Fixed number of channels serve an arbitrarily large number of subscribers. Frequency reuse. Used by service providers to improve the efficiency of a cellular network and to serve millions of subscribers using a limited radio spectrum. After covering a certain distance, a radio wave gets attenuated and the signal falls below a point where it can no longer be used or cause any interference. A transmitter transmitting us in a specific frequency range will have only a limited coverage area. Beyond this coverage area, that frequency can be reused by another transmitter. The entire network coverage area is divided into cells based on the principle of frequency reuse. Frequency reuse. A cell, basic geographical unit of a cellular network, is the area around an antenna where a specific frequency range is used. When a subscriber moves to another cell, the antenna of the new cell takes over the signal transmission. A cluster is a group of adjacent cells, usually 7 cells, though frequency reuse is done within a cluster. The frequency spectrum is divided into subbands and each subband is used within one cell of the cluster. In heavy traffic zones, cells are smaller, while in isolated zones, cells are larger. The design process of selecting and allocating channel groups for all of the cellular base stations within a system is called a frequency reuse or frequency planning. Cell labeled with same letter use the same set of frequencies. Cell shapes: circle, square, triangle and hexagon. Hexagonal cell shape is conceptual. In reality, it is irregular in shape. The frequency reuse concept is as shown in slide. The one cell consists of 7 cells. The one cluster consists of 7 cells. Illustration of the cellular frequency reuse concept. Cells with the same letter use the same set of frequencies. A cell cluster is outlined in bold and replicated over the coverage area. In this example, the cluster size is n is equal to 7 and the frequency reuse factor is 1 by 7. Since each cell contains 1/7 of the total number of available channels. In frequency reuse, in hexagonal cell model, BS transmitter can be in center of cell or on its 3 vertices. Centered excited cells use omnidirectional, whereas edge excited cells use directional antennas. A cellular system having S-duplex channels, each cell is allocated K channels. If S channels are allocated to N cells, into unique and disjoint channels, the total number of available channel is S is equal to Kn. In frequency reuse, n cells collectively using all the channels is called a cluster, is a group of adjacent cell. If cluster is repeated m times, the capacity C of a system is given as C is equal to mkn is equal to ms. Capacity of system is directly proportional to the number of time cluster is repeated, reducing the cluster size n while keeping the cell size constant. More clusters are required to cover the given area and hence more capacity. Co-channel interference is dependent on the cluster size. Large cluster size, less interference and vice versa. Frequency reuse. The frequency reuse factor is given as 1 by n. Each cell is assigned 1 by n of total channel lines joining a cell, and each of its neighbor are separated by multiple of 60 degree. Certain cluster sizes and cell layout possible. Geometry of hexagon is such that number of cells per cluster are n can only have a values which satisfy the equation n is equal to I square plus ij plus j square. In the cluster size is typically 4, 7 or 12. In GSM normally n is equal to 7 is used. I and j are the integers. For I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2 and n is equal to 19. The ijn is equal to n I square plus ij plus j square is equal to n, where n is a cluster size. N shows that the cluster size and ij are the integers. Now the next frequency reuse concept is we see in next video lecture. Thank you.